When you hear the word Buddhism, do you imagine monks in saffron robes, chanting in temples filled with incense? Or do you think of mindfulness, meditation, and a peaceful way of living? The truth is, Buddhism can be seen as both a religion and a philosophy, and which one you choose to see might change your life. At its core, Buddhism began over 2,500 years ago with Siddhartha Gautama, the Buddha, who sought answers to human suffering. He didn't claim to be a god, nor did he demand worship. Instead, he offered a path, a set of teachings, like the Four Noble Truths and the Eightfold Path, that focus on understanding the mind, reducing suffering, and finding inner peace. For some, these teachings form the foundation of a religion, complete with rituals, prayers, and sacred traditions. Temples, festivals, and monastic life give Buddhism a deeply spiritual identity, much like Christianity or Islam. In many cultures, it's practiced as a faith with devotion to the Buddha, bodhisattvas, and specific ceremonies. For others, Buddhism is purely a philosophy, a practical guide to living. You don't need to believe in divine beings to follow its wisdom. You can apply mindfulness in your daily life, reflect on impermanence, and cultivate compassion, all without seeing it as religion. Why does this matter today? Because in a fast-paced, stressed-out world, the way we frame Buddhism affects how we use it. If you see it as religion, it might bring spiritual comfort and community. If you see it as philosophy, it can offer mental clarity and tools for resilience, free from dogma. Both approaches can improve mental health, helping you manage anxiety, increase focus, and deepen your empathy. The surprising truth is that Buddhism doesn't insist on one label. It invites you to experience it directly and see what works for you. Perhaps it's not about choosing between religion or philosophy, but about finding the path that brings you closer to peace. So, how do you see it? Is Buddhism, for you, a religion, a philosophy, or something beyond both?